The Indigenous Travel Leaders Forum (ITLF) in Manipur has penned an open letter to Home Minister Amit Shah. The letter addresses grave concerns over alleged high heightnesses towards Kuki-Jo village volunteers by central agencies in Manipur amidst ongoing ethnic conflicts. The ITLF's letter commended multiple incidents, notably in Jiribam's Faitol and Mongbung villages, where central security forces reportedly assaulted 7 Kuki women and detained 2 village youths. Furthermore, the arrest of the 3 Kuki volunteers following an arson attack and the burning of residences belonging to community leaders have exacerbated local tensions. The forum accused the majority community of conducting an ethnic cleansing campaign against Kuki-Jos, citing recent incidents of arson and violence perpetrated by Arambai Tengol militants. They criticized the National Investigation Agency's NIA approach, alleging arrests of tribal defenders under terror charges without political resolution. Highlighting security disparities, ITLF claimed that Meitei militants roam freely in the state capital with stolen weaponry, while Kuki-Jo villages faced intensified combing operation.